talk about SpaceX, which is a space research organization. It was started by Elon Musk and it got its popularity and success in less time and a brilliant manner. Well, its competitors are also there like NASA, which is National Aeronautics and Space Administration, ESA, which is European Space Agency, and there is also CNSA, which is Chinese National Space Agency. Let us talk about some of its creations. First is Falcon 9, which is used for transporting satellites. It is world's first reusable rocket, which means it can lower a lot of cost for deploying satellites. Now have a look on its stats. See, it is launched 125 times, landed 85 times and reflown 67 times, which means it is really a reusable rocket. There is one more whose name is the Dragon, which is really a game changer. It is purposed to carry humans to space as tours, research and commercial purpose, whose one trial got success, which can carry up to 7 members in it. On the base of it, Hollywood star Tom Cruise and Elon Musk are planning to shoot a full movie in space, which will be the world's first movie to be shooted in space. The name of movie is Apogee of Fear and it is planned to be in October 2021, whose director will be Doug Liman, and if it fails, Russian got the opportunity. It is the interior part of a spacecraft, the Dragon, which traveled to the space. So we can say that future of space colonization is near. In a few years, world tour will be changed into space tour, and in a few decades, moving to foreign will be changed into moving to space. Now let us assume a life in a colony in Mars. Now tell me in the comment section, what will you do there? What will be the feel there like? And what are the benefits of that? As it is not possible in some years, so you can use future technology. And this is just for you. It will cost you only some $1 million, which is not a small amount. Overall, it will give us so many benefits. Think about the resources we will get, the space we will get. There is a great example from the movie Men in Black 3, which is a space jail. It sounds crazy, but someday it will also happen. SpaceX also gets some competition here from those companies who are also trying in the same domain of space colonization and space tourism, like Blue Origin from Jeff Bezos, which is also successful, and like Virgin Galactic from Richard Branson, which also tried the same in the space and got successful, and NASA, which is already a government organization in space aeronautics and research. All companies are trying to go on Mars. When the distance between Earth and Mars will be least, they will try their best to go on Mars. And they will do a research on starting a space colony. Then comes another creation, which is Starship, which can carry up to 100 metric ton, which makes it the most powerful vehicle ever launched from Earth, which can go to Moon, Mars and then beyond. There is also Falcon Heavy, which is most powerful rocket, which have 3 engines of Falcon 9, which can give it a thrust of 5 million pounds, which is equal to 18 Boeing 747 aircrafts, which is really so much powerful.